demonstration. It is Enagic's goal to provide a healthy, invigorating, and economical solution to anybody who wants to improve their lives with Kangen water. An Enagic USA distributor will explain the science behind the power of Kangen water.
Okay, so we're going to measure the oxidation or antioxidant level of different beverages that I'm sure many of you are currently drinking. We're going to use 7-Up, Gatorade, 2 brands of bottled water, tap water, and our Kangen water. And what we use to measure that is what we call an ORP meter. And this meter will show us the measurement in millivolts. So anything that measures as a positive millivolt reading means that it is oxidizing, which is causing damage, which is aging you internally. Anything that measures a negative millivolt reading means that it is an antioxidant. And you're going to see how it is that our Kangen water is a natural antioxidant water. So, for example, here we have our ORP meter right now. We're going to turn it on. We're going to put it in the 7-Up, and you can see that that measures a positive millivolt reading of about 288 and rising. We put that in Gatorade, and you can see again that it is a positive 277 and going up. We put it in bottled water, and it's at 285 and going up. The other bottled water, 264 and going up. We put it in tap water. It's about 255. Now we put in Kangen water, and you can see that it became a negative number. In fact, negative 340. Okay, so again, our Kangen water is a natural antioxidant water, natural anti-aging water, something that you want to make sure that you're drinking every single day. Another very important property of Kangen water is its alkalinity. Remember, when we talked about how disease cannot live in an alkalized body, and when your body is acidic, it will thrive. So what we want to really emphasize is for you to be looking at what you're doing to neutralize the acidity that's happening inside of our bodies that's constantly damaging healthy cells and compromising our health. So once you see the level of acidity or alkalinity of these different beverages, you are going to truly appreciate why it is that you want to be drinking Kangen water every single day. So what we have here again that we're measuring the level of acidity or alkalinity is the 7-Up. We have Gatorade, 2 brands of bottled water, tap water, and our Kangen water. And what we're going to use is a standard pH tester, and we're going to put these drops into each of these liquids. And what we're looking to do is actually measure or compare to certain colors. Now this is a color chart, and we're looking at this part of the chart right up here. Where green is neutral, anything this way of the green is what we call acidic. This is what you want to avoid because our bodies are already very acidic, and that's why we're compromising our health. What we want to do is stay over here on the alkaline side and of course optimally over on this end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put several of these drops in each of these liquids, and they will begin to turn colors. So let's start with this 7-Up. I'm just going to put like 3 or 4 drops into each of these, and you'll see the liquids start to turn colors. And into the bottled water, into the tap water, and into our Kangen water. Okay? And we can see, looking at our 7-Up, you can see that this beverage is very acidic. And that applies to whether you're drinking 7-Up or Sprite or colas or root beer or Dr. Pepper, any of those. Here's the Gatorade. Again, a very acidic beverage. And how many people do you know that are drinking these on a regular basis and don't even realize how acidic it is? And worse yet, how many people do you know that are giving it to children? And that needs to stop. Okay, here's the bottled water. As you can see, again, very acidic. Here's the other brand of bottled water, And we just use Dasani and Aquafina as two of the brands because they are Pepsi-Cola and Coca-Cola products, which makes them two of the top-selling bottled waters. Understand that this is pretty much how a lot of the bottled waters will test. And here's our tap water. You can see that it's a little bit on the alkaline side, and most municipal waters will usually be anywhere from slightly acidic to slightly alkaline because they are mandated to actually alkalize the municipal water in order to preserve the pipes, because the acidity will actually ruin the pipes. And here's our Kangen water, and you can see that this is the optimum level of alkalinity that you want to be drinking, is the Kangen water, right? Okay. Now, here's